I am Marko, the CEO and co-founder of Stargate Hydrogen. And at Stargate, we build electrolyzers. We build electrolyzers and develop electrolysis technology. So on this picture of the simplified hydrogen economy, we're here in the middle, making electrolyzer stacks and systems. Our base technology is alkaline technology, but we are making it more efficient and cheaper over the long term. But if you look at the world from the customer perspective, then there is a large problem. And it's a problem that was also mentioned in the previous presentation. Currently, the price of green hydrogen is too high. And it's too high for those large industrial customers to make the switch from gray hydrogen to green hydrogen. Therefore, unfortunately, what we see daily and weekly in our commercial side of the business is that projects get delayed. Projects get delayed, and some of the final investment decisions are not made at all. Therefore, everything we do at Stargate is focused on one thing. How can we bring down the cost of green hydrogen? And if you look how the price of green hydrogen comes together, then there are some things we cannot change. So as a humble electrolyzer manufacturer, I cannot change the price of electricity. But what we can change is the efficiency, the CapEx, and the overall lifetime and reliability of the systems. And what we do at Stargate, our innovation is divided into two buckets. One is new electrode materials, and this is really how we started more than 3 years ago, developing a new group of catalyst materials based on ceramics. And the second bucket of innovation is the stack design. So we have fundamentally re-engineered the old alkaline stack, making it more efficient, making it more reliable and cheaper over the long term. A bit about those materials. So if we look at the world today, then the alkaline and also PEM electrolyzers can be divided into two buckets. So on the left-hand side, we have the traditional nickel-based electrolyzers with low current densities, low efficiencies. But on the positive side, those electrolyzers are quite cheap, and they don't face any problems with the raw materials. And then on the right-hand side, we have precious metal-based electrolyzers. So many of our European competitors are in this right-hand side. There we have higher efficiencies, high current densities, but there's two problems. Problem one is about the availability of raw materials, because the materials used there, iridium, ruthenium, are one of the rarest elements in Earth's crust. And the second problem is the cost. And what we do here at Stargate is here in the middle, so using ceramic-based catalysts, where we can achieve high current densities, high efficiencies, without any problem with raw materials, because ceramic materials are abundant in the world, and more importantly, they're also cheap. I have time for just one example on what we do on the stack design. We have developed our in-house patented sealing solution that reduces the risk of any leakage on a stack. It also means that we have less parts and the assembly cost of the stack is lower. Where are we today? So we already have our Generation 1 technology on the market, two product families on the market today. Stellar, which is just a stack for a system integrator, and then Gateway series, which is designed for utility companies and renewable energy developers, so a full turnkey system. And yeah, we already have a number of integrators who have chosen our stack technology for their hydrogen product lines. And also on the Gateway side, we just announced a major deal yesterday. So the Finnish energy group, Fortum, is ordering a large system from us. And in parallel, we are developing Starbase. So Starbase is a 10 megawatt single stack designed for large-scale applications. About our team, we're currently 53 people strong, with many people coming from the industry. Our leading positions come from companies such as Haldor Topsoe, Nel Hydrogen, Mitsubishi, Gencell, and many others. Important part of Stargate is our IPCEI project. We were one of the few electrolyzer manufacturers that received support from the IPCEI framework. We received a 29 million euro grant. This means that we need much less private capital, and these grants provide significant leverage to any private investments. And on the private investment side, we are currently wrapping up our 10 million euro equity round. Thank you.